Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing chicken and cheese. This is our chicken. We already put the garlic, some potatoes. We have rice. We're going to do a mix of vegetable rice, sorry. And yeah, this is for garnishing. This is yellow pepper, red pepper, and green pepper. Then here we have our diced peppers, green beans, and carrots. And this is onion. We have some cheese, and then we're going to do a mixed vegetable. And these are the spices: is ginger, butter, Portuguese chicken, spice for rice, yeah, some raja, white pepper. So let's do this.
Brave Only Music.
Bambi batila, lesa takwaba. Bambi batila, lesa tatumfwa. Lelo nalishiba, bali inetalala. Alinte mwisha, vande alimfwila. Kalumbanye, lumbanye, ishinalien. Kalumbanye, lumbanye, ishinalien. Jehovah, Jehovah, mulibakulu, mulibakulu, Jehovah, Jehovah, mulibakulu, mulibakulu, Jehovah. De papa bantu bambi baleti takwa batite mwiko kuno kunse bafwaye sansa muchalo chaluba bafwaye omweo muchalo chakowela mwera bumbile myulu nesonde nalisango mweo mulimwe takwaba takwakabe bambi abangante mwanga imwe kalumbanye lumbanye ishinalien kalumbanye lumbanye ishinalien